Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to calculate the cost of an Ethereum transfer. As game developers, we need to be very cognizant of the gas that we use in our games. And in these next series of videos, I'm just going to try to find different ways where gas can be optimized, make it cheaper for our deployments and cheaper for the users of our games. So let's get into how this is actually calculated. So I'm just on Etherscan here, and I'm just looking for transactions that are just a basic transfer. So this one looks good. You can see here that they transferred 0.022 ETH. It was from this count to this count. You have our transaction fee. So this is the amount that they paid to perform this transfer. You can see this gas price in Gwei, and if we click on more, you can see here that we have this 21,000 as this gas limit. So this is baked in. Like every Ethereum transaction is going to cost at least 21,000, and then depending on the opcodes or the complexity of what you're doing, it will rise and cost more, right? So so we want to basically calculate this ourselves and get this dollar amount, because it can be useful in our games. If we don't want our users to have to pay over a certain limit of a dollar value in gas, we can kind of control these kind of things. All right, so we have this Gwei here, and Gwei is to Ether. If we go over to this ETH converter, you can see that here that 1 Ether is basically 1 billion Gwei. Okay, so we're going to basically use this in our calculation. So let's go back over to here. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take this 21,000. I'm just going to move this over. Kind of get that here and move that over here. Move that over here. Okay, something like that. Okay, so the first thing that we want to do here is we want to take this 21,000, and I'm gonna add it here. We'll take 21,000. And we're going to multiply that by this Gwei cost here. Okay, and we'll multiply it by that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to divide that by 1 billion. And this will give us the Ether price. So see here that we have this 0.000554, and then we have the 0.000554. Now, if we want to get the this dollar amount, we need to multiply this by whatever ETH is at the time. So I'm just going to go to CoinMarketCap here, and I'm going to copy this, and I'll say times the current price of, oops, that's not going to work. The current price of Ether, which is 2516.71, and we'll hit enter, and you'll see that we get 1.39, and if we go over here, we have 1.39. And that's how you can calculate the cost of a transaction. And we'll go in and look at deeper and other use cases where we can optimize gas in our mints and more complicated transactions. And that's it for me. Thanks.